Yes guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Chef Davy. Yeah man, and today I'll be making something different. I'll be making Noni juice, and this is what the Noni fruit look like. Yeah man, look on it guys. I know a whole lot of you guys don't know this one, but I'm gonna show you how to make the perfect Noni juice. Yeah, and never get sick again.
Alright guys, thank you so much for staying here with me. So today I have these ugly fruit. They are called Noni and they are super fruit. Yeah man. So these fruits, they are good for reducing cholesterol, normalizing your liver function. It's perfect for those males that are experiencing ED. Yeah man, same thing as erectile dysfunction, lowering blood pressure, antibacterial, antifungal. It's good for boosting your immune system, antihistamine. Yes guys, you can also do the research for yourself. So I'm just here to deliver the recipe for you guys. The rest is on you. I'm not a doctor, so I'll be showing you how to make this nutritious juice. You drink this and you never get sick again. Alright guys, so I'm gonna go straight into it. My Noni, they're already washed, so I'm just gonna go and cut them in smaller pieces. Alright guys, so these are cut in the perfect size, and I have here some ginger, 2 pieces of ginger. So I'm just gonna go ahead and cut it in smaller pieces also. And what you want to do now guys, you want to put this directly in your blender. And today I will be using 2 cups of purified water. And I will be going in straight with the blender. Yeah man. And this one I won't be blending for long because I don't want to blend the seeds. Good enough. So I'm gonna go straight ahead and strain. Guys, so now I will be adding a a tablespoon of organic honey. I'm going to mix around. Then I'll be adding 1 tablespoon of lime juice, or you can use lemon juice, and it's best if you have the fresh one. I'm just gonna mix to incorporate all these ingredients. Yeah, man. So guys, now the Noni juice is ready. Yeah, man. Nice. So as I said before, guys, you want to drink this one because it's rich in minerals and vitamins, and you don't want to get sick. So drink this Noni juice and you will never get sick again. It's perfect, guys. Thank you so much for always checking out my videos, and please remember to thumbs up the video, share it with a friend. Yeah, man. And I will catch you in another video.